Now, the long-awaited additional supply of the Astrazeneca COVID-19 vaccine has finally arrived in the Gambia following the vaccine shortage in the country. The French government donated 38,400 doses of the Astrazeneca vaccine to the Gambia on Sunday. Nejise attended the arrival of these vaccines and CNR reports.
The long delay in the shipment of an additional supply of the Astrazeneca vaccine in the Gambia has made the Johnson & Johnson vaccine the latest choice in the country, many of whom have passed the 12-week interval between the first and second dose of the AstraZeneca, have been waiting for additional supply of the vaccine. But thanks to the French government, those who took the first jab of the AstraZeneca vaccine can now be fully immunized. Speaking at the Banjul International Airport, Gambia's Minister of Health, Dr. Ahmad Lamin Samate, explained what the gift means to the Gambia.
A very important step in the sense that it shows global solidarity. It shows that the partners have a lot of trust in the government of the Gambia in their handling of the COVID situation, in their handling of vaccination, and also in their handling of the healthcare delivery system in the country. So it shows global solidarity. It shows that the partners are supportive, they are enthusiastic, and together with the partners, inshallah, we'll be able to have a big impact on the handling of COVID-19 in this country.
With the emergence of poliovirus in the Gambia, Dr. Samata says officials are deployed to sensitize people about the polio vaccines to avoid public confusion about the two vaccines.
So our teams are going around. They are, doing the sensitization. They go into the communities. They have radio programs. They have television programs, and so on and so forth. And of course, with the use of your own media, to get the information to the people.
The French consul Chabal Al Haji says the donation is part of the French government's efforts in helping the less privileged countries with enough vaccines. Mr. El Haj urged the Gambia government to put the donated vaccines into proper use.
French government has been pushing, and it's gonna probably over 120 million vaccines to lesser countries that can afford the vaccine. So this is one of the lots that has arrived, and it's coming also at the right time because of as Madame Toshiko said, that there's a need for second vaccination.
The World Health Organization country representative, Dr. Desta Tirune, encouraged people to be immunized in fighting the pandemic.
The vaccines have side effects, but these side effects usually are minor. These are like headache, a fever that can go off within 2 days or so. So this is not a big issue. But rarely also there could be severe illness, side effects. Those should be reported to the health authorities. Otherwise, largely the vaccine is safe for the population, and I encourage all people who are not vaccinated to come out and get the vaccines as soon as possible.
The donation will help the country to achieve its target, as over 18,000 Gambians are expected to benefit from this supply. France has donated more than 2.6 million doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine to 17 countries. And by the end of this month, a total of 28 countries are expected to receive more than 5.7 million doses through this mechanism. Reporting for iAfrica News, I am Daisy.